Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to cilinixfxcapital. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to this update on Kaspa. I haven't covered Kaspa in a week or so I just wanted to give you my thoughts. I mean, Kaspa has not moved that much, I would say, in the last week. I mean, it's basically been ranging between 4.8 and 5.2 cents, but altogether it has continued overall in its bullish momentum. All right, because I'm saying overall because, like, if you zoom out, this is bullish momentum, and you can see that there's some sort of bullish pressure pushing it up right here, right? The thing is that if you actually take a look at the short term, you'll see that the ADX is very low, and the EMAs right here, most of them are practically flat, which are actually indicators of consolidation. So that's the funny part, and we'll talk about the implications of that, etc. That's what we'll do. Before we dive into that, though, I do want to briefly tell you that I have my own premium trading group in which I share my own trades as signals. I'm a profitable trader, and the group is really focused on education as well, so that everybody can become a profitable trader. If you want to become a better trader, it might be something for you. There's a chat room full of traders. There's a trading guide which you can use to learn how to trade and how to analyze. If you're interested in that, consider joining. But for now, let's get into Kaspa. So purely technically, Kaspa is still bullish, all right? If you zoom out, it's still bullish. We're still making higher lows right here. You can see that this little drop right here was on Thursday. So then Bitcoin also had that major drop. But Kaspa actually, in the end, still respected this trend line, all right? So this bullish momentum is really supported by that trend line, and I would say also still by the EMAs. Broke above this level earlier last night at around the 0.618 fib. That's not necessarily enough bullish confirmation. It's managed to do that before. The main level is right here around 5.2, and I would even say 5.3, 5.2. All right. Historically, I always said that 5.2 is the main level, and that was also respected the 20th of September. But then 53 or 53, 5.3 was also respected. So I'm not sure about it now. I would still say that breaking above 5.2 cents is the main thing that needs to happen for new Kaspa all-time highs. But is that really expected? All right. And for that, I want to take a look at some other numbers. And that's what you see right here. So if you actually take a look at some numbers for Kaspa, you'll see that it's not that correlated with Bitcoin. Which is both a blessing and a curse, because Bitcoin right now, it's a bit of a curse because Bitcoin right now has been showing a lot of bullish momentum, at least since Tuesday evening. But it's also a blessing because Bitcoin at some point of time will probably fall down hard. And then it's key that you're not too correlated with that. So for now, when looking at Kaspa, like the open interest and the volume actually still look decent. Like those are still very high. This is over the last month. So you can see that now the open interest is growing and it's around the same levels where it was like the 20th of September in the afternoon. So right here. So basically the same price levels as well. So what we need to see, I think, is only for the volume to go up because the volume is relatively low. All right, so what needs to happen is that volume needs to go up, and then Kaspa needs to break above 5.2 cents. If that happens, I think we're going up to 5.5 cents as a new all-time high, and there's a potential to rally as high as this main resistance level around 6 cents. So that's what we need to see, and until then, the market structure remains something like this. Right, so bullish momentum here, strong resistance right here, and what could happen, I don't think that's the most likely scenario. Like, it still looks very bullish right now, so I expect a bullish breakout. But what could happen is that if Bitcoin all of a sudden gets a lot of bearish momentum here, then that will, even though it's not that correlated, it will matter for Kaspa as well. And I would say that if Kaspa breaks down below this support level right here around, let's say 4.8 cents, which is a possibility. I actually do think it will test that area. I just think it's more likely that something like this will happen. But what could also happen, it's a possibility, is that Kaspa breaks down below 4.8 cents. And then getting a new all-time high will be difficult. I don't think Kaspa will crash, but I do think it will drop down lower towards 4.6 and 4.5 cents. And from there, it's way more neutral than bullish. So from there, it will be hard to get that bullish breakout. Not the most likely scenario, but definitely a scenario you should know about and that it's a possibility. So that's my full take on Kaspa. All right, that's everything I wanted to say. If you do have any questions, as always, let me know. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.